Stop sending WhatsApp messages one by one. Let's explore how to send bulk WhatsApp messages for free using Wati. First, head over to Wati.io, that's Wati.io, to explore their platform. Wati is a great tool if you're looking to send bulk WhatsApp messages efficiently. Now, Wati isn't entirely free forever, but they often have free trial periods or specific free options with limited features. Spend some time reviewing their pricing page. Look for a free plan or a trial offer. These will give you a chance to test out their bulk messaging capabilities without spending initially. Once you've signed up for a trial or free plan, navigate to the Broadcasts, Bulk Messages, or similarly named section on your Wati dashboard. This is where you'll create and send your messages. Before you can send messages, you'll need to upload or import your contact list. Make sure your list is properly formatted, usually in a CSV file with phone numbers in the correct international format, including country code. Now it's message writing time. Compose your message within the platform's editor, and you can personalize the messages using variables using your contact list, things like names or dates from your contact list. Before sending, Wati allows you to schedule your messages. Choose the date and time for your messages to be sent, optimizing for when your audience is most likely to be online. Keep track of metrics by seeing how many messages were sent and delivered. Analyze the results within Wati's analytics section, keeping an eye on message delivery status. And there you have it, sending bulk WhatsApp messages, potentially for free. Using Wati, leverage those free trials and options to level up your communication game. Happy messaging.